myself a Carter bird playing too much. Anyways, hey my birthday babes, I'm back with another video. And as y'all can see today, I'm about to be showing y'all the little Cash App trick. Because y'all keep talking about, and a lot of people be making me mad when y'all be sitting there talking about some, is it real? It's cap, it's this, it's that. I'm the one that's sending the money out. Are y'all not realizing that? Are we not processing that, y'all? Because I sat there and got screenshots and proof of everybody getting their money. I'm going to put the pictures right here. And y'all going to see a lot of screenshots of everybody getting their money. I do DoorDash too, but I'm doing Cash App today for y'all because that's the one y'all want the most. But yeah, y'all not understanding. I'm the one that's sending the Cash Apps out personally through my Cash App. Y'all just sitting there clicking my link so y'all can fill it out. So it tells me who did the link so I can Cash App y'all. Because if y'all don't do the link, it's not going to tell me who I'm supposed to Cash App. Sorry for stuttering, y'all. I'm hungry. I stutter when I'm mad or hungry, and yeah, or tired. But I'm hungry right now, so yeah. Anywho, I'm going to give y'all a tutorial on how to do it because a lot of y'all keep blowing up my DMs. Every time I post Cash App and everything, or somebody getting a Cash App, everybody start blowing up my DMs with a cash tag, and that's not how it works, babes. It don't work like that, okay? I'm going to show y'all how it works. So one, I'm screen recording a little video right here, and I'm putting it right here, and I'm going to tell y'all. First things first, y'all going to go on my Instagram page. It's on my Instagram, TikToks, all of that. But y'all going to go to my Instagram page, because I'm pretty sure y'all really be on my Instagram for more than my TikTok. So you'll go to my Instagram page, the real KAY_KG1 or KEMani1. You're going to click the link. The link that says Linktree, it's in the Linktree, okay? It's in the link. If you be like, I don't know where it's at, I can't see it. It's in the Linktree. It'll be nowhere else. It'll be in my highlights where it says Earn Cash, but it's in the Linktree, okay? This is going to be my only time doing this, okay? Because I'm trying to put y'all on game. I'm trying to let y'all know what's up. Like, be it. Anywho, go to the link on the Linktree. You're going to see a thing that says Earn Cash. Something like that. I don't be remembering my link names. I don't really remember it. It says Earn Cash, I think, like that. Y'all just know what it is. I only got 3 links. I got my YouTube, my DoorDash, and then the Cash App one. So whichever one you see that has Cash App or Cash, you click that one. All right. So then it's going to ask you a few questions, right? You don't gotta answer. It's not a test. It's not a pop quiz. It's not a school quiz. It's not a school test. It's not finals. They're not about to actually grade you off of what you answer. So, anyways, first it's gonna ask you, like, do you like who you giving a card to, like the gift card to, the $750 gift card. I personally don't do straight $750. It gives you the option for $750, but I personally send more than $750. Before I sent $1,000, I sent less than that before, I sent more than that before. Sometimes I actually did send $750. It depends on how you actually do the link, for real, y'all. But anywho, I'm out of breath for doing that. I ain't gonna lie. It's gonna ask you if you're doing it for yourself or if you're doing it for a friend. Click it for yourself, because why would you do it for a friend? You trying to get some money, not for your friend. Like, what? Unless you already did it. You only able to do it once too, by the way. So if y'all seeing that it's not working, or wondering why it's not working, you either didn't do it right or you continue to try to do it and it's not going to let you do it anymore, okay? Anyways, next. So it's going to tell you to do that, and it's going to ask you all these questions. Just pick some random questions just like I did right here, okay? Pick the random questions, keep clicking them, clicking them. And then this is where the email comes in at, y'all. It's not taking your information. I'm letting you know that right now. A lot of y'all DM me and be like, okay, it's asking me for my information. I'm so scared. No, it's not. Because I'm showing y'all right now, and I'm screen recording right now. No point in time to ask you for no address, for none of that. Y'all just be trying to give me a response. So you can be like, oh yeah, so can you send me some money? I don't just send people money just to send people money. You know, I got bills to pay too, you know. I just be trying to be like helpful though. Like help some of y'all out. But I ain't no millionaire, none of that. So don't be trying to like, come on now, guys. Once you did answer those few questions, then it's going to tell you completed it. It's going to say, one is going to say finished, one is going to say completed. So therefore, it's going to tell you that you've activated the card. So that's telling me you activating the card is going to take you to a deal page. You're not buying anything off of that deal page, okay? What you're going to do, you're going to find a game on the deal page. If you want to, you really don't have to, but if you want to, because I be playing the games. The only reason why I clicked out the video like that, because I'm the one I'm the one that's sending the money out, but I'm just showing y'all how to do it. But if you want to play the games, you can play the games. You don't really have to play the games. But it's a deal page that's going to pop up. It's talking about you got to complete a deal. You don't have to complete a deal, babes. You don't, okay? You can literally just click out of it. And it's going to let me know. It's going to email me. When you send in your email, it emails me. And it tells me the email. All you have to do is just send me the screenshot of you completing it. And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to be like, what's your cash app? What's your cash tag? So I know you completed it. I also check, because it lets me know. I also check for emails and stuff like that. So if I ask you for your email, because it sent me an email saying that you completed the whole thing. So for y'all saying, why do I have to put my email? How else you going to get paid? Because I'm not about to be paying nobody that don't even finish the whole thing for real. What you think this is? You think you about to finesse me? No. And then a lot of y'all other people be trying to DM me and be trying to talk crazy. If you don't know how to do that, just say that. After this video, you should know how to do it because I just showed y'all what to do. So you should know how to do it then. But like I said though, with me, I don't have to do the deals because I'm the one sending the money out. But if it doesn't work for y'all, if y'all not doing the deals and it don't work for y'all without doing the deals, then you're going to have to download a game and you're going to have to play a game for a few. And then it'll work. Okay? Just like that. You ain't got to purchase nothing. You ain't got to do nothing. All you're doing is just put in your email for real. That's all you doing. Anybody that purchases something, I have nothing to do with that. I don't know why you purchase this stuff. It shouldn't even tell you to purchase nothing. So don't purchase nothing. Play a game. If it doesn't work the first time. If it doesn't tell you got your card yet, or if it doesn't tell you it's sent to your email yet, then you didn't get it yet. So go download a game and play a game. I play games all night. The games that I did download on there, I played them all night. But that's really all it is to it. I had to sit there and make a tutorial video because, like I said, I keep getting DMs every day, more and more, asking for help. Kay, can you help me with this? Kay, can you help me with that? I'm trying to do the cash app and I can't do it. I don't know how to do it. So I'm telling y'all how to do it. Don't ask no more after this video. If you ask after this video, I'm not responding. I'm telling you, I'm ignoring you because I literally dropped a whole YouTube video about it. Even the YouTube video was unnecessary, but like so many people keep asking for help. So like, I'm gonna help y'all out so I can sit there and like pay y'all up, you know? You feel me? You know the holidays coming up. Thanksgiving is coming up. So like, why not spread a little holiday cheer? Why not? Like, what? But no, I really just have to make that for y'all, for real. That's all the video is about. Just a tutorial on how to do this, like, for real. So everybody can sit there, stop telling me, everybody can stop DMing me, asking for help, and everybody can stop DMing me, talking about something is cap. Because how is it cap when I'm the one that's cash apping the people? How is it cap when all of these people are sending screenshots of me sending them money, of them getting the money? How is that cap? I had went off on somebody earlier because they kept DMing me. They was looking for attention, so I gave them the attention they was looking for. And as soon as I responded, it was like, chill, it's not that deep. I just wanted to get a band. And I told them straight up, you're not about to keep sliding up on my story talking about cap. But then when I respond, now you all scared. And now you talking about you just want a band. I told that boy straight up, I said, I'm not giving you shit. If you didn't know how to do that, you could have DM'd me simply and asked me for help and say, okay, I don't know how to do that. But you saying cap, trying to get a response out of me, now that you got your response, you wanted some money the whole time, now I'm not giving you shit. What are you talking about? He said, I got a New York trip coming up in a few weeks and I just want a band. You and that New York trip. You're not getting nothing from me. Disrespectfully. Because don't slide up trying to play with me and I just showed y'all. And then they slide up on the people that's showing the proof. How y'all gonna slide up on the videos and the pictures that's showing the proof that the people getting their money? I had to literally tell the person, I'm like, you loud and wrong. Like, how you good? You frosty? Like what? What's up? You the most wonderful time of the year? How you gonna slide up on something and it's literally showing you proof right there? we got to do better with our thinking skills. But yeah, that's all I had to say though. I don't like to talk too much in videos because I would talk y'all head off. Like I would talk all night. I would really sit on this bed right now. We could just have a conversation. But I'm not gonna do that. I got stuff to do. So, you girls out.